Okay, I'm just going to help you remember, so hopefully this video helps you. Oscar's rectangular room has an area of 6x raised to the 6th power times y raised to the 8th power square units. If the width of Oscar's room can be represented by 2x raised to the 3rd power y raised to the 2nd power, which of the following represents the length of the room? So because you're starting off with an area, we have to go back to the basic math of how is it that we get an area in the first place of a rectangular room. A rectangle has a length and a width, and we multiply the length and the width to get the area. So because we are given the area, that means we have to work backwards. And we got to think to ourselves, okay, if I'm working backwards, what's the opposite of multiplication? In that case, when I'm given an area, I need to divide by the the width, I guess, because that's what it says in the problem. The width, I'm dividing the area by the width. And as you guys might possibly already can tell, it's going to be a fraction where you have the area at the top and the width at the bottom. So once you've written that out, it becomes like this sort of problem. It becomes like this. So then you got to use your exponent rules. You got to subtract your exponents and things like that. Okay. So make sure that you write it out first, and then you simplify, and then you compare your answer to the answers that's given there. Now, this is another way. You could take your answers and multiply it to the width, and think to yourself, okay, which of these, when I multiply to the width, will become 6x raised to the 6th power times y raised to the 8th power. Maybe that's your route. Maybe that's what you would prefer to do. So it's okay to use your answer choices to get back to that area if that's what you need to do.